In today's video, I'm going to teach you ClickUp Board View. Whether you're opening ClickUp for the first time or brushing up your skills, I'll walk you through a simple, dependable process to get great results without the guesswork. The board view is ClickUp's Kanban-style layout. Think of it as a visual conveyor belt for your tasks, where each task appears as a card and each column represents a stage, like To Do, In Progress, or Complete. You can drag and drop tasks between columns to instantly reflect progress. This layout makes it easy to see what's moving, what's stuck, and where your attention is needed. It's also highly customizable, so you can group columns not just by status, but by assignee, priority, or due date to track work in a way that matches how your team thinks. First, log into ClickUp. Sign in with your email and password, and take a quick moment to double-check for typos before submitting. Tiny errors can cause big delays, so make sure caps lock isn't on and that you've entered everything correctly. Once you're in, you're ready to set up or access your board. Next, navigate to the exact location where you want the board view to live. In ClickUp, that could be a space, a folder, or a list, depending on how your work is organized. Choosing the right level matters because the view will reflect the tasks stored in that spot. If you want a focused view, open the specific list. If you need a broader snapshot, head to the folder or even the space. At the top of the screen, just under the location name, look for the Views bar. If you already see an option labeled Board, click it to open your Kanban board instantly. If Board isn't visible, click the plus View button, then select Board from the options. You're not changing your tasks by doing this. You're simply creating a new lens to see them clearly. Once your board is open, start using it right away by dragging tasks from one column to another as they progress. If it helps, switch how the columns are grouped, by assignee to balance workloads, by priority to tackle the most important items first, or by due date to keep deadlines front and center. These small adjustments make it easier to spot bottlenecks and keep your workflow moving smoothly. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.